Namaste. This is a special video, but not for you. Not for you in the sense those who are not viewing, those who are not regular in viewing, those who have subscribed but do not view any of the videos, or for those who are scatteredly view some of the videos. Do not listen to the content thoroughly, attentively, and with full awareness. This video is also not for those who are in materialistic life. Those are the people who should not see our video. We had uploaded 2 special videos, quest, clarifying certain points, certain doubts, certain experiences, how it could be, certain practices, certain taboos, whether it is correct or not. Because when a person is embarking on a spiritual journey, he or she encounters lot of hurdles, thorns, broken stones, glass pieces, pricking, sometimes making the person hungry, food not available, somebody criticizing, somebody condemning, somebody rejecting, treating more than a beggar. So many insults a person who is in spiritual has to undergo. It is not so easy. On the contrary, materialistic life may be suitable to many because it is easy to make money, easy to spend money. No one asks, no one questions. Even parents cannot question. So with this view, people go for the easy job, not the troublesome journey. Many have forgotten they have come here as a tourist. This is not our planet. This is not our place. This body is going to be destroyed in a few days, few years, few months, or few decades. But we are not realizing all these things. The people are interested in other part where some kind of happiness, some kind of thrilling short experiences are obtained by spending some money. Something which attracts, which may be dangerous for us. Very recently we have seen how a handsome, beautiful cinema hero has committed suicide. What is the cause? A beautiful thing or a beautiful life around him to misguide, take away his happiness, take away his life. Now the entire family is grieving. Lot of police action, even on police, lot of complaints. All such things, why we should get involved? Because we are not taking our journey in a proper way. Not realizing that we have come here for a purpose. Many do not even know the purpose. They think that the day is for them to earn, spend, pick up some friends on the way, drop them, pick up new friends, pick up ego after ego, friends after friends, drop the friends, pick up little more ego. This is the way of life people are living. We cannot blame them because there is no one to guide them. Even if somebody is there to guide them, who listens to them? Now coming to this special video, there has been no encouraging viewers. I am not happy with the viewers. We have more number of subscribers, but viewers are not there. We do not want any subscribers. We do not want any sleeping subscribers. What is the use keeping some money in a dead account? When you keep some money in a Swiss account, it will remain there only. Because once in 10 years you may go there. Next 10 years you are not there. The money is not given to you or your relatives. Money is gone. The bank is becoming enriched. In the same way, we are leading a life. We do not want subscribers just for that sake. We want more viewers, quality viewers, not quantity viewers. Unless we achieve this, we are sorry, we are stopping our video. I do not want quantity numbers. I do not want quantity members. I expect quality members. We have a small WhatsApp group that is more than sufficient for us. In that also, only few are totally involved in spiritual life. I do not know about others, I do not want to comment, but I can vouch a few people in the group who are really interested in pursuing this spiritual. Maybe our future videos may come as a private viewing only for those who are interested. So for the time being, we are not going to upload any video at least up to 22nd August 2020. On 1st August 2020, we may be uploading one video on Kriya Kundalini Awakening. And yet again, we may be uploading another video on 22nd August 2020, the third step of the Kriya Kundalini Awakening. Beyond this video, we may be uploading one video on Quest, which is already recorded. We don't want to throw it out. Look at how materialistic people are. We put a video recently, Babaji helps you. Just because some medicines are coming, just because it is coming free to you, just because you are threatened with coronavirus, just because you wanted to improve your immunity, more number of people have viewed this video and they have sent requests also. But when you uploaded Quest 1 and 2, couple of hundred viewers, we cannot afford to spend our resources for this kind of activities. We are satisfied with a small group of WhatsApp where really dedicated members are there, although some are not yet to join, but many are really interested. We will carry them. Taking birth ignorant is not a sin, but dying ignorant is definitely not virtuous. Taking birth as a raw stone is not at all a sin, but dying without shining is not at all a virtuous. Continue to remain childish is not at all a virtuous. All this will not carry us anywhere. When you escape from here, from this world, here the exit will be there. Where you go, there will not be entry. Please understand this. Entry will not be there, but you have gone out of this world, but there is no entry for you in any world. You will have to create your world. For that, you will have to bring awareness around you. So, expect no videos from us unless there is improvement in the viewership. We are not going to upload. Maybe we may come to the specific members in order to cater to their specific demands, requirements, interest, enthusiasm to be fulfilled to them, because we have got a commitment to them. Babaji does not want people who are not interested to take spiritual path, because many more lives are there for them to come here and go. There are many people who had multiple births in the future, have cut down everything and they are achieving salvation. But I do not know how to bring the people to the line. Why I don't want to put videos? We do not want our videos to go to corporate who can convert them into something different and make money. So this will be a private video if at all we are putting. We are seriously thinking of not putting any video unless some improvement happens in the viewership. Those who are not interested in viewing our videos, but if you have subscribed, please leave subscription. We don't want quantity. Sincerely I am telling you, I don't go by marketing, I don't go by trend, I don't go by likes and dislikes, I don't go by subscription increase at all. We have very limited friends, but each friend for me is a gem. That is more than sufficient. Having quantity of friends and relatives is of no use. Quality speaks for itself. When we will have to go to Babaji, when we will have to approach Babaji, we will have to have the highest quality. Highest quality in the sense being so sincere, being so empty. In order to prepare yourself, you cannot prepare unless your ignorances are removed. Your ignorances cannot be removed unless you share your experience and share my experience with you. Until unless such things happen, we will see. All the very best. Thank you. Good day and good days. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha. Om Sadguru Babaji Namaha.